In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create animated GIFs in Canva. We'll walk through a clean, repeatable process so you can turn simple designs into smooth, looping GIFs that are perfect for social media, emails, or your website. First, open Canva and create a new design. For the best control over timing, start with a video template or create a new video project. This gives you a timeline and separate pages, which act like frames in your animation. Pick a size that matches where your GIF will live: square for feeds, wide for banners, or any custom dimensions you need. Next, add your content. Each page is a frame, so think in steps. What should appear first, second, and so on. Drop in your images, text, icons, or shapes. Keep your layout consistent so the motion feels intentional. If you want small changes between frames like a line of text or an icon shifting, duplicate the page and tweak only what needs to move. This makes the animation smoother and easier to manage. Now, animate individual elements. Click an element, then hit animate to explore effects like fade, pop, or pan. Choose one animation style and stick with it for a cohesive look. Many effects let you adjust direction, speed, or intensity, so dial them in to match your brand's tone. Subtle movements usually read best in GIF format. After that, adjust the timing. Click the page and set its duration something like 0.5 seconds. Per degree Fahrenheit, rain creates a snappy pace, while longer durations allow more reading time for text. If your frames follow a similar rhythm, apply the same duration to all pages to keep things consistent. A predictable cadence helps the GIF loop naturally. Add transitions between pages, using the transition icon. Short transitions create a smooth flow without feeling sluggish. Keep them consistent and brief, so the animation doesn't drag. Preview your work by hitting the play button. Watch for pacing, legibility, and any abrupt jumps. If a moment feels too fast or too slow, tune the page durations or simplify the animations. It's normal to iterate here until the loop feels clean. When you are happy, it's time to export. Click Share. Then download. Choose GIF as the file type. You can pick specific pages if you don't need the entire sequence and adjust the size if you want a smaller file. Download your GIF, and you are ready to share it anywhere that supports looping animations. Thanks for watching.